How to fix Bereal camera on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Bereal camera problem on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Bereal, click on it and then click storage. And first thing you need to do here is to click clear cache and then click permissions. And here we'll find the camera, just click on it and click allow, and now just go back and try again. If that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and open Play Store and check if there is any updates, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.